Ted Katushabe orukurre byo kurwanisa oburwire bwa TB omukyanga kya Kigezi najangu n'obujunanizibwa bw'abeebembezi okureba ngu bashomesa abantu baabo okwerinda endwara ya TB n'ebibembe ngo ahabwo kuba zikanyire kandi abantu barikweferayo.
TB ino mubazi n'ogwabusha kandi n'ebikozeso biriho, so titushemerere kuba twine TB ministry ne tugira twagumiza mutu kukoraje by 2030 ni tuba twagihira mu ihanga ritu.
So the DHO plus the RDC or other people can think about how the media people, the reporters, can know more about the facilities that you have. 3, we are supposed also to dramatize the message. Because we are TV already. But the moment they say Katuzom Karang, you see people changing the what? The station, looking for maybe music.
Katushabe nagira ngu biine ekizibu ky'abarwire ba TB abarukuruga aha mibazi yabo kandi district ya Rukungiri niyo yebembire omu barwire abaine TB abarukuruga aha mibazi ekyayehanangiririza abeebembezi okuhabura abantu baabo.
The tip that we found when we were growing up, then we have the resistant one, which has me, you've given me medicine, you've swallowed them poorly, now I'm resistant. So this is the DRTB we are talking about. And Rukunjiri, we don't know what the reason is. It has the highest numbers of DRTB patients.
Commissioner ya Gamba, TB teri muhere facilities, but those cases and the communities.
So yeah, at the functions to my political leaders, let us also talk about those deadly diseases.
Bamwe aha abeebembezi abakiro mu rukiiko oru baraganise kukora ekirikubasika aha side yaabo okwera okurwanisa endwara egi.
Konka hati ntwenda twongeremu amaani kureka ngu TB ni nk'endwara erikuhemurana kandi endwara erikuturuza munonga akuba wakororeraho ine TB.
Gasha kwa Dan Basibye.